name is Sam Causey. My proper name is Wasim, but I use Sam for teaching purposes. I've been teaching since 1998 here in London, Ontario. I've had my driving school for approximately 20 years. We have about 10 driving instructors, plus an office administrator that works full-time to answer calls and answer inquiries and emails, etc. So she's full-time. We have both males and females on the team. We're well established in the City of London. Our reputation is very established with the Road Test Centre and the examiners there. We actually teach a lot of the road test examiners' kids, and I've actually taught the examiners themselves. And I can proudly say that we've won Best of London pretty close to 10 years in a row, Reader's Choice, Consumer's Choice. So we're very passionate about what we do at the school. Like I always say, we teach driving skills for today's driving environment, and try to make people more attentive to details and work on anticipation, to collision avoidance, fuel efficiency in terms of driving. So we combine it all together when we teach. Everything is defensive driving based. The Smith system: aim high, get the big picture, keep your eyes moving, make sure they see you, leave yourself an out. And the more critical part, scan, identify, predict, decide, execute. So we try to instill these into our students, that physically teaching the kids how to drive is really honestly pretty easy for what we do and my instructors, but teaching them how to think, how to anticipate, how to avoid collisions is really critical, and adjust hopefully their attitudes towards driving, that it really is a life skill. It's not about 1 or 2 days, it's about a lifetime, 50, 60, 70 years potentially.